Hello and welcome guys, this is Abhinandan, your host. We bring you some of the best collection of kitchen inventions that will make your kitchen life easy. These kitchen gadgets are cleverly designed to make your cooking perfect and delicious. We really look forward to see your reactions on these cool kitchen gadgets. But before we jump into these inventions, if you have not subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming updates. Let's have a look at these kitchen inventions one by one. Blade brushes. Let's have a look at this clever invention by Joseph known as clever brushes. This blade brush having crossed bristles which helps in cleaning cutlery and knives smoothly and effectively. This blade brush has textured on outer surface that provides a tight grip so it does not slip from your wet hands. You can buy this cool gadget for the price of $8. If you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. Watermelon slicer. Have a look at this incredibly clever gadget that is used as a watermelon slicer. Now within few seconds you can make equal slices using this gadget. Once you are done slicing watermelon, just arrange these slices on the plate to be served. You can buy this gadget online both on Amazon.com and Amazon.in. If you like this invention, do let us know in the comment section below. Clever cutter. Here is a nice hybrid gadget made from knife and chopping board that is used as a scissor to slice food in seconds. This is made using stainless steel. One of the most special feature of clever cutter is that it opens automatically, unlike scissors that makes it cut faster. Clever cutter is more faster than ordinary cutter. To buy this product you can check out the link in the description. If you like this invention, do let us know in the comment section below. Using this cool gadget you can get cubes of different vegetables and fruits. The Starfrit Pro cuber and fry cutter was designed to cut potatoes in cubes or fries. Many more fruits and vegetables can be cut into cubes or juliennes with the push of a handle. Your kitchen without this cool gadget is not complete. If you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. Mango slicer. Using this innovative kitchen gadget, you can slice a mango with just one simple press. You can remove the seed and slice a mango in half within few seconds. This mango slicer comes with soft grips that are easy on your hands. The sharp and sturdy serrated blade leaves only seed behind, so you can enjoy the true taste of mangoes. Do you know that fresh mangoes are eaten around the world every day than any other fruit? Thank you guys for watching this video till end. If you like our videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming updates. We are truly thankful to all of you guys for showing your support on this channel. We will be posting more interesting videos daily, so keep watching our channel. The best is yet to come. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay blessed. Peace.